Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I'm making this video because I'm introducing the concept of Lenormancy, and this is all about reading through Lenormand cards. They're very much like there are people who read tarot, like I'm a psychic tarot reader. There are astrologers. So there are various sciences we use to do some sort of predictions or to know what next is about to happen. So in my all my psychic tarot sessions, I have come across questions like, when will this happen? What's next for me? Yes and no kind of a question. So they're more like, in our day-to-day lives, we don't deal with a lot of energy. Rather, we deal with daily questions, and we would want to know what's next for us. So if I'm going for an interview, will I be able to crack it or not? I'm waiting for a project to come in, will I get it or not? So in terms of relationship, what's next? So will I be traveling or not? So these are very, though these questions are not very deep, but they have effects on our day-to-day life. So Lenormand cards are different from tarot because tarot gives you more of an intuitive energy reading. Of course, it moves on to your day-to-day affairs also, but there are numbers, there are pictures, there are expressions, there are colors. A lot goes on in just one tarot card, okay? But when it comes to Lenormand, it is more to do with the name of the card, and no number, no picture, nothing matters. What matters is how is that card interacting with the other cards. So in tarot, we can have one card giving you a lot of answers. You can have remedies and answers and everything from one tarot card because it is that expansive. Coming on to Lenormand, you would need at least two cards because Lenormand cards are event based. They are more like day-to-day or a weekly or a monthly movement that is happening in your life, or that will happen in your three-dimensional real life, not the five-dimensional one like the tarot. Okay, so tarot cards are very deep. So that's how Lenormancy is what I started thinking of introducing. Yet another important difference between the two is Lenormand is more like an event-based reading. So there are many tarot readers who tell me that they cannot read for themselves. That was a challenge initially for me also, but thankfully I overcame that. But we all want to know how is the day going to be for us. So for that, it is always better to use Lenormand cards. Third very important aspect of Lenormand is whether you know tarot or you don't know tarot, whether you are intuitive or you're not intuitive. Lenormand card is for everybody. There are only 36 cards, and each card has some specific meaning, and that is how they interact positively or negatively with the cards at the onset, as in before it or outside of it. And that these few differences that really led me to think that it is apt to introduce Lenormancy, and that's why I'm making this video. I would like to invite you and welcome you to this class. For the details you can send me an email. The details are there in the description box. And for any other further queries also, you can post your query on the email and the other contact details that are given there. So if at all you're a housewife, you're a business person, you're a corporate person, you do not have time to meditate so much, or maybe to have a bond with the cards, because with the tarot reading, with energy reading, with healing, finding out the remedies for your own self, there is a lot of work goes behind the scene. But that is not the case with Lenormand. They actually help you they give you suggestions, they give you recommendations, they warn you of the events that are about to happen, whether it is good or not. So very I was just pulling my weekly and monthly Lenormand card, and that suggested about my health, and then it also said that my family will be affected with some sort of health issue, and those 2-3 months will be really troublesome. So such cards were coming, and then that happened, and it also suggested hospitalization. So very clear cut progress of events is what is suggested by Lenormand, and that is how it helps you to make your life easier. So yes, I would want to invite you for this class. It will be a 4-day class, and further information will be obviously given to you once you connect for your queries. So please take care. I'll be waiting for your mails and your messages. Bye bye. Take care.